How's it going, kids? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw a tweak from the Octonauts. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle. Okay, and then we're going to draw the ears. So the ears come up like this, and they come back down. They come up about this high, so don't go too high, but like this. And they come back down. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to come up and come back down. So right about here, come up, and we're going to come back down and come in just a little bit. So it should look something like that. Now Tweak has a headband that goes up here, and then the hair goes right a little bit past it. So this part, I want you to kind of follow me, okay? So we're going to draw from here, we're going to draw up to here like this. So we'll go up like this and then come back down. And then this is the hair that we're going to draw, okay? So comes this way, then his hair comes up this way, and then the hair comes this way, and it comes back down. And then it comes and it stops just like that, okay? And then see how this line comes this way? We're gonna follow it along and finish it on this other side, so we get the hair. So now the hair is there. And then we're just gonna do another line following this line, but this is where the headband is. So we follow the headband line. And when you get to this part, you just don't go over the line, just go right to the line so that you can show the headband, okay? And then once you have that, we're gonna start with the nose. So the nose is right at, from here, you wanna go right in the middle. So there's like a little imaginary line we're gonna do right in the middle. So right about here, we're gonna draw the nose. And then we're going to do this part right here. And then a little line right below it. And then we're going to do the eyes. So the eyes should be right in between this spot. So right about here. We're just going to draw a circle. And then we're going to do another circle inside. And then we're going to color it all in. Color this all in. Same thing on this side. So right about here in the middle. The same thing, another circle. And then we just color it all inside. So by now you should have something that looks like that. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the collar. So the collar comes down just like this right here. So there's a line that comes right here, and then there's a line that comes right there. And then the same thing, it comes down and it goes up, comes down and then it goes up. So if this is the center, you want to come down towards the center and then come up, go down, and then come up. Okay? So you should have something that looks like that. And then we're going to draw these little arrows that we've been drawing on all of our characters. Same thing on this side. Okay. And then now we're going to draw the arms. Actually, no, let's draw the body. The body goes like a big U, just like all the other characters. So it comes down, and it'll come up, and then it'll come back. Okay. So let's start right about here. And then let's come up, and then just like that. And then the arms just come down and then come back up. All right, so let's draw our hair, right where this little line connects, right there. Just come down, and then we come up, and then this is like his finger, and then we're gonna draw his thumb, like that, the thumb. And it comes up round, and then it goes up, just like that. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Comes out, the thumb, and then it comes up. And then we have to draw the legs. So the legs will be right about here, here. And then draw the shoes. Comes down, comes a little bit out, and it comes around, comes up, and up. And remember, there's a little line that goes like that. We do the same thing on this other side. So down, down, and a little across, and this comes this way, down, and it comes across, comes up, and then up, and another line. Okay? So at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a belt. So there's a belt right about here, and right in the middle of the belt is the Octonaut logo. So I'm gonna draw it a little bit bigger, and then we're gonna do a line that goes across, because this is the belt. Like that. And let me see if I have enough space to make a tiny octopus. Yeah, that's really small, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Anyways, this is about it. Now we're gonna just color. So I guess we can start with the green. Maybe this green. Actually, this lighter green. I like this green better. So tweak is this light green. This light green. This tweak is a rabbit, huh? And just keep going with this. Do your best to stay in the lines, but like I said, it's always okay to go a little bit across, no problem. Just do your best. And then if you want, you can color this maybe a little darker green, since it's Tweak's hair. Maybe that doesn't matter. Let me just color all this in. Color this in. Color this part. And then I'm gonna color the blue parts, the shoes. So the shoes are blue, and then the belt is blue, and then the collar is blue, and then there's a pink nose and a pink headband. And by the way, my wife loves headbands. So there's the headband. And there you have it, Tweak from the Octonauts. Well, hope you had a good time, kids. That was a lot of fun for me. And until I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye.